Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting obvious bandwidth drains and resetting your connection. Close apps that upload or download in the background, then restart the router and your PC. Waiting 60 seconds lets caches clear and the device reassign IPs. Once done, plug into Ethernet if you can because wired reduces packet loss and stable latency. Make sure to test Roblox immediately after reconnecting to see if ping drops. This first step often fixes transient spikes and reveals if deeper steps are needed. You now optimize routing and device priority to shave off latency. Change your system DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 because faster name resolution can shave seconds off server lookups, then enable quality of service on the router and prioritize your gaming device or Roblox ports so packets get sent first. Update router firmware for stability and turn off VPNs or proxies that add hops. Once configured, restart and run another test match to confirm improvements before moving on. You finish by diagnosing persistent problems and applying final remedies. Run a traceroute to Roblox servers to identify where latency spikes. If a specific hop is slow, contact your ISP and provide the results so they can investigate. Meanwhile, limit other devices and pause big downloads during play because local congestion raises ping. If issues persist, reinstall Roblox and test different in-game server regions to see if one route performs better. If nothing helps, the traceroute evidence is your best escalation tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.